Hi everyone, I'm your Japanese grandma, Grandma Takako. On this channel, I share easy-to-understand stories and little life tips from everyday life and culture in Japan to make your day a little easier. I also talk about Japanese traditions and customs, so it's great if you're interested in Japan or planning to visit. Today's topic is vinegar cleaning hacks from a Japanese grandma. In Japan, we've used vinegar for generations, not just for cooking, but also for simple, safe cleaning at home. Let me show you 2 easy ways to use vinegar in your kitchen. First, let's start with the greasy stovetop. When you cook every day, oil splashes and slowly builds up. If you leave it, it becomes sticky and hard to clean. Here's a simple way. Mix vinegar and water in a spray bottle, about half and half. You don't have to be exact. Spray the greasy area and leave it for a few minutes. Then wipe with a cloth or a paper towel. If the grease is very strong, you can warm the vinegar slightly before using it. Just be careful not to boil it. This way, you don't need strong chemicals, and your kitchen still becomes nice and clean. Next, let's talk about cutting boards. If you cut onions, garlic, or fish, the smell can stay on the board even after washing. Here is a simple Japanese grandma trick. First, rinse the cutting board with water. Then, sprinkle a little salt on the surface. Pour some vinegar over the salt and gently scrub with a sponge or a brush. Leave it for a few minutes, then rinse well with water and let it dry standing up. Vinegar helps remove smells and some bacteria, and the salt works like a gentle scrub. But there is one important warning. Please do not use vinegar on natural stone, such as marble or some types of granite, because the acid can damage the surface. Also, always test a small area first if you are not sure about the material. So today, we learned 2 simple vinegar cleaning tips for the stove and the cutting board. Little habits like these can keep your kitchen cleaner without using strong chemical cleaners. Thank you, my dears, for watching this video. I hope these little pieces of Japanese grandma wisdom make your day a bit easier. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and stories from life in Japan. See you again next time.